So now let us now assign our different material resource. Okay, let's go to our material resource. Now, this is very important because this multiplied by this will give us this. Okay, let's check it out. So 8 multiplied by 400, that's on 200. That is over there. All right. So now let us now assign our different resource. So bag of cement. Who's using bag of cement? Is basically the. Let's check here. Okay. The mason and the bricklayer are going to use bag of cement. All right. So let's go to site supervisor medicine. Now this guy is going to use bag of cement. So let's assign our resource, our material resource. So bag of cement. What's the quantity? We assign bags of cement to this guy. So we're going to give him how many bags? We're going to give him. We have 80 bags, right? 80 bags, 400 quantity. So we're going to give him okay, no, we'll not give him anything here. So we'll go to concrete and foundation, then we'll assign our bag of cement. Yeah, sign it. Now over here is saying 1 bag, so I'm going to give him 300. Let's say 400, 350, 350 bags of cement for him to use. All right. Why am I giving him 350 bags of cement for him to use? Because